Hi and welcome to ICBT Consultant. My name is Kassar Abbas. I am Primary P6 and MS Project Trainer and Consultant. I promise you that after watching of this video, you can make the schedule for any type of project. Let's start. First, we will open the blank project. It's first window of MS Project. Here you can see two parts of this window. Left side area is called table and right side area is called bar chart. This entire window is called Gantt chart. First we will select the project start date, so we will go to project, next project information. Here we will select the project start date. If we say our project will be start on 25th September, next click on OK. Next we are going to select the first working day of week. Go to file, next options, next click on schedule. Here we will select the first working day of week. Our first working day of week is Monday. Next click on OK. Next we are going to set the calendar according to our requirements. Go to project, next change working time. Here you can see our working days are Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday is off. Next click on work week, next details. Here you can see three options. First one is use project default times for these days. Second one is set days to non-working time, and third one set days to the specific working times. If we want to set the timing of the days as we want, so select from Monday to Saturday. Click on Monday, press shift key, click on Saturday. Next click on set days to the specific working time. Here we will select the starting time. Our start time will be start from 9 to 1. 1 to 2 is break. Next 2 to 6. Next click on OK. Now you can see our working days are Monday to Saturday and Sunday is off. Next click on exceptions. We will use if we have any national holiday. If we say 25th December is holiday, click on 25th December, Kai Day or Christmas Day. Here we will select the start date and finish date. Next click on OK. Next save the project file. Go to file, next save. Here we will select the location where you want to save it. Our project name is MS Project Training. Next we will show the project name. Go to format, next project summary task. So here you can see project name. In this project we have two blocks, block A and block B. There are 5 tasks in both the blocks. Here first we will write the block A and also add the task on the same level. First we will write the name of WBS block A, task 1, task 2, next block B, task 6, task 7, task 8, task 9, next task 10. There are two parts of the project. Next we will select from task 1 to 5. Next click on task, next click on indent. After clicking on indent, you can see the task level of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are showing under block A. These activities of block B, so we will select from task 6 to 10. Next click on task, next click on indent. Here you can see task mode in manually. Next we will select all the tasks, click on task, next click on auto schedule. Here you can see after clicking on auto schedule, all task dates will be shown. Next we are going to enter the estimated duration of each task. This activity duration is 4, this activity duration is 6, this activity duration is 3 days, 4, it will take 3 days. Next block B duration, first activity duration is 3, 7, 4, 2, 9. Here you can see all the dates of each activity starting from same date. Next we are going to connect these activities. It's first activity of our project, task 1. This activity has no predecessor. After completing of task 1, we will start task B. This activity number is 2, so here we will write the predecessor number 2. Now you can see these activities are connected. These activities has been connected. Next, this task has two successors, task 3 and task 4. So this task number is 3. Here we will write the predecessor number 3 and 3. These activities are going parallel. After completion of task 3 and task 4, we will start task 5. So task 3 and task 4 number is 4 and 5. Here we will write the predecessor number 4 and 5. Block A activities are connected. Next we will connect block B activities. If we say after completing of task 5, we will start task 6. We are connect these activities of block B with another method. First we will highlight task 6, go to details, and bottom window here you can see, right click here, next click on predecessor and successor. Here you can assign the predecessor. After completing of task 5 we will start task 6. Here we will assign the predecessor number is 5 and successor number is 7. After completion of task 6 we will start task 7. Now click on OK. Now you can see these activities are connected. Next we will start task 9 and task 8 and 9 after completing of task 7. Here we will select task 8 and task 9. Click on OK. These activities are going parallel. After completing of task 8 and task 9 we will start task 10. So this activity has two successors. This activity has one successor. This activity has one successor is 10. This activity is also one successor 10. Next click on OK. Now you can see the total number of this project 40 days. Our project start date is 25th September and finish date is 9th November, and you can see the dates of each activities. Our schedule is completed, but if you want to see the slack time, right click here, next click on insert, next slack. Here you can see how many days we can delay in these activities. Next, if you want to see critical tasks, go to format, click on critical tasks. These are critical tasks. Red bars are critical tasks and blue bars are non-critical. We can delay this activity for 1 day. If we say we want to start, here you can see this activity finish date is 28 September. After completing of this activity, we can start task 2. If we want to start task 1 and task 2 on the same date, then we will write here this activity predecessor is 2 SS. Now you can see these activities are starting from same date and total number of days will be reduced. So if we say these activities are going finish to start, now you can see the total number of days. Next, if you want to set the color scheme according to levels, highlight first one MS Project Training, go to task. Here we will select color red. Next, the blocks color is yellow. We have completed the project schedule. Hope you will like this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more videos. Thank you very much.